Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Be inspired. By using this channel, I am creating some educational videos based on the subject mathematics. Along with the educational videos, I am creating some puzzles and I am giving some Vedic maths fast calculation mathematics tips, and people who are feeling maths is a very difficult subject, those just go through go through those videos. You'll be getting very good information about this. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. Hi kids, welcome to maths class. So in the previous class we learned what is estimation and how to do estimation for nearest tens. Now in today's class we are going to find out what is estimating to the nearest hundreds and thousands. So is 410 near to 400 or 500? Of course it is very near to 400. It is round off to 400, correct to the nearest hundreds. Okay. 889 lies between 800 and 900, but it is very near to 900 because 89 is very near to the 900, so that is the reason it is. So numbers 1 to 49 are closer to 0 than 200. Yes, so round off to 0. Now numbers 51 to 99 are closer to 100 than 0. So round off to 100. Now number 50 is equidistant from 0 and 100 both. It is a common practice to round it off to 100. Check the following and round off is correct or not. So you're going to check whether the given round of numbers are right or wrong. Okay, without getting late, we'll see this. So estimating to the nearest hundreds by rounding off, and here they're asking us to check if the following round off is correct or not, and if there are any wrongs are there, just you are going to make it correct. So first, before starting that, what are the rules for rounding off to 10 we done? That is very simple. We consider that if the ones place is three conditions, ones place is greater than 5, we will go for add 1 to the tens place, right? So, and if it is less than 5, it is same for equal to 5 and greater than 5, and if it is less than 5, I just write as it is. The numbers will be as it is, no change. So here it is for hundreds. Half of hundreds is how much? 50, right? If it is less than 50, strike off and write 0, 0 and other numbers as it is. So 50 means ones place and tens place you are going to consider. Now if it is greater than or equal to 50, strike off and write 0, 0 and add 1 to the hundreds place, and other numbers, for example in case thousands and 10,000s are there, those numbers will be as it is. So this is the rules. Now coming to this 841. So we are going to consider the two digits, that is 41. So it is less than 50, so we will strike off and we will write 0. So this is correct. And here 37, the last two digits are 37. It is also less than 50, so 9500. It is also correct. And here the last two digits are less than 50, so 49700. So this is also correct. 46 is also less than 50. Okay. It is more than 50. So what we should do? We should add 1 to the hundreds place and strike off and we'll write 0. So the answer is 300. So here equal to 50 also the same rule, no? So plus 1 to the hundreds place. So 5800. And 68 is greater than 50, add 1 to the hundreds place. So 200. 49 is less than 50, so strike off and we will write 0, 0 and we will write the other numbers as it is. So this is also correct. And 70 is greater than 50, so add 1 to the hundreds place. So the answer is 9900. Correct those which are wrong. So we already done the correction. Okay. Now we will try these in this So now what they are asking is estimating to the nearest thousands by rounding off. Check if the following round off is correct or not. So for hundreds we selected half of 100 is 50. Now in the same way we should select for this one as half of 1000 is 500. So in the same way we will write down now the rules. What is the first case we will select? If it is less than 500. So how many places you should strike off? Ones, tens, hundreds. Strike off ones, tens, hundreds and write zeros and other numbers as it is. Now second case, if it is greater than 500. The first thing is same, just we should strike off ones, tens, hundreds and write zeros. And if it is greater than 500, add 1 to thousands place and other numbers as it is. In third case, if it is equals to 500, same like greater than 500, strike off ones, tens, hundreds place and write zeros and add 1 to the thousands place. Add 1 to the thousands place and other numbers as it is, means there is no change in the 10,000s place or more than that, if it is more than that. Now we have to check whether the following round off is correct or not, and then if there is any wrong is there, you should do the correction. So first coming to the first question. So it is greater than 500 means second case. So we will strike off and we will write zeros and add 1 to the thousands place. So the answer is 3000. Now last 3 digits, it is also greater than 500. Strike off and write zeros. Add 1 to the thousands place. Write the number as it is, means 5400. 54,000. And the last 3 digits less than 500, so 6000. And here the last 3 digits is also less than 500, the answer is 65,000. And here it is greater than 500, so we should add 1 to the thousands place. We'll strike off and we will write 3 zeros, means 8000. What is this here? The last 3 digits 499. So if the last 3 digits are 499, it is less than 500. Strike off and write 000 and same number as it is. But here he given 4000. The answer is 3000. Is it clear? So what is the important thing here you should check? And if they are asking to round off 1000, just you have to consider ones, tens, hundreds place. If those 3 digits are less than 500, just you should strike off and we will write the number. If it is more than 500 or exactly equals to 500, no one given exactly equal to 500, no? So I'll give you a question. 7500 is there. So it is exactly equals to 500. So what we will do, first thing is we will strike off and we will write 000 and add 1 to the thousands place. So the answer is 8000. In this way we should write. For example, if the question is 65,496. So what is my last 3 digits? Less than 500. Strike off 000 and other numbers as it is. So the answer is 65,000. In this way you are going to write. I hope you all understand this estimation. Where near to 100, just you should check the last 2 digits, ones and tens place. If near to 10, nearest to 10 round off, just you are considering only one place, that is ones place. Ones place 10, nearest to 10 means you should check whether it is greater than 5, less than 5 or equal to 5. 100 means greater than 50, less than 50, equal to 50. If it is less than 50, the same numbers will come. If it is greater than or equal to 50, just add 1 to the hundreds place. Whereas coming to 1000, you are going to consider 3 digits, that is ones, tens and hundreds. If it is greater than 500 or equal to 500, just add 1 to the thousands place, and rest of the numbers there will be no change. And if it is less than 500, just you should write all the above as it is, and ones, tens and hundreds should be equals to zeros. Okay. To prevent coronavirus, wash your hands often, wear a face mask while going outside, avoid contact with the sick people, always cover your cough or sneeze. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you for watching.